Hey guys, Adam here and welcome back to the Dad of All Trades channel. Today we're going to be doing a dad video with my son where he has a pack of tech decks and we're going to be doing a little unboxing and some small tips and tricks. So y'all stay tuned and we'll see what we can do with this. Alright guys, so this is what's left of the pack. Jacob, my son, got a hold of it and got a little excited. You got some boards here that come with it. You also got some little bitty nuts right here. Let's see. Anyways, you can kind of tell. We got some nuts. Here we got some screws. This is the wrench. It's got two ends on it so you can adjust the nuts on the trucks or screw in the screws. Here we have the wheels and the different trucks. They give you different options. One of them actually came put together. But we'll show you how we put all that stuff together. You actually have to put the top on. Like, here's one that he's done already. You have to put the grip tape on, and you put the trucks on. You can adjust them to different tensions and things. It's got different wheels, different colors of wheels. Like, there's some more other stuff. So, you got a lot of different options. Let's get one of the boards and we'll start putting one of them together. Alright guys, this is one of the boards that he has already played with for a while. It actually didn't come in the set. He broke it. You can see he's been grinding with it and everything. And what he broke was these trucks. So apparently him and his friends at school play with them on their breaks and what have you. So if they do break, just be careful with them. Alright guys, so this is a tech deck that he's chosen to put together. And he's going to put the yellow wheels on this one. Slide this out of the way. First thing he likes to do is put the screws in the holes first. He'll put all four of them in. And then he's going to put the trucks on it. And screw them down. Here we've got the four screws in. The next thing we're going to do is put the trucks on. And this is him screwing in the last screw. And now we got both trucks on. And you got this part on the inside. That's the way they go. So now the next step will be to put the wheels on, and then we'll be done. It's easiest if you lay it up this way. There we go. That's how you do one of them. We'll do the other three. Alright guys, here's the final product. The tech deck's finished. We got all the wheels on. We got the sticky paper on. The grip tape, sorry. And yeah, it does come in the pack separate, so you have to put that on. Just be real careful when you're putting those on to line all the holes up and everything. But careful, your little pile of nuts there. But that's all you gotta do to it. Now we'll get him to do a trick or two for us, and we'll be done. So. Alright bud, now that you got it put together, what are we gonna do first?
I'm gonna teach you guys how to Ollie. It's just a very basic trick. What you wanna do is you kinda wanna go back, but you wanna, when you go back, pop your board with your index finger, not your index finger, but your middle finger, and just let your index finger just glide along with it. And so what you want to do is just go back. That.
Very good. Well, that was cool, bud. What's the next trick we're going to learn?
I don't really have a name for this trick. It might have a name. I just might not know of it. And you're basically kind of cheating, but you hit the front of your board with your index finger up to make it like pop up. And you just like kind of glide your fingers that way, and then it'll land.
Cool.
So here it is.
That was pretty cool, bud. Thanks for showing us how to put them together. And thanks for showing us how to do those cool little tricks. You know, I really appreciate it. And also, if you liked it, remember guys, like, share, subscribe. You know the routine. And thanks for watching another one of the Dad of All Trades videos.